Hi guys, Nog Mustache here. Today we're gonna be opening up packages. Yeah. Sorry for the wobble.
Yeah, it
worked
better before. Magic. Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna be opening this package first.
The one that went out of view. That one.
Okay. It is.
Can you show them? You didn't even open it. I can't even see it, Eric. You're just great at this.
Opened.
Great.
Okay, so now, what we got? Let's see. Piano.
Eric, I still can't see it. You're
Mega
just
Mix.
bad at this. Oh, I got that one.
Okay.
Aren't I a great camera guy?
So the Mega Mix.
I'm not even a guy.
Here's the stand for it.
That's greater. It says the brand name on it. What we do.
The brand, this name is Gano. I'm sorry for not pronouncing it right.
Eric's.
Gano.
Whatever that's called, and they didn't chop it out. Nice!
So,
here's the box.
it's pretty good.
It's not the most interesting box in the world, but
Cutting.
it's whatever.
Pretty good.
Maybe you should come into view. That would be better.
Sorry for the inconvenience.
You're really
Big word,
apologetic, Eric.
Wow, big word, huh? This is a very irregular day, right?
Okay. Okay, I
Sounds
got the
pretty good.
instructions. Oh,
I'm not
look at
really
this.
sure
What
how to
does this
solve
say?
this, so I'm just
Instructions.
gonna get this
What
and
does
learn
this
how to
say?
solve it. I'm not
what
really
does
sure
this
how
like
to
say?
solve it, so I'm
The
just
fortune
reading
cookie
the
thing?
first thing.
Oh, it's upside down. Oh my gosh, it's in English.
How are we
anything
gonna
else.
keep talking at the same time?
It's
Really, like,
entertaining.
Tell you how to solve
Here,
it.
I'll do that, because...
And
Wow.
here's like a
That's nice.
manual.
And
or
here's in
something.
it.
You and your work. Yeah.
I'll read it. You're
Okay.
bad at doing this. Focus. You and your wars are important to us. Well, I love to hear them for you if you want to check them out. There you go. Not sponsored. Random stuff. We paid for this. So don't get any ideas. I don't know. Okay, now we're going to go magically clean this up and go to the next one.
Okay.
Ooh. Magic! Now you gotta open it. Stop messing around with the Rubik's Cube. You're literally just like...
Now we got this. Open it.
You need scissors. Oh, great. Well, apparently we don't need scissors because I'm too lazy to get them. So we're just gonna... Eric, they're not even in the screen. You're so bad at this. Good
Sorry.
job, you're in the
Sorry
screen.
for the inconvenience again.
No, maybe you should... No, you're good at...
I just cut this out.
Cue the music.
It's amazing.
Okay, I guess we didn't need to cue the elevator music.
Okay. Get out of the way.
This is
Break this whole thing.
this one's not even this one's broke, but you know
We
whatever.
got we have these two things. First, I'll open the Pyramix. This is matte ball.
And you're still not in view. Nice.
Matte box. Okay.
We're really great at opening these packages.
Okay, now got gnome. This is a stickerless cube, same as the Mega Mix. Okay. So
Oh my gosh, I messed it up already.
There is no.
Nice.
Okay, so there is no.
Here's the cube. Ooh, it's so
This
big.
is not a cube. It's a pyramid.
A pyramid, triangle, same thing. You're driving me nuts.
That's pretty
Here's
good.
the box. It's not that interesting, and there's the guy.
So
there's his
use
face.
matte bulk.
Nice.
This is a magnet one. You can see it snaps in place with magnets.
It feels bigger than normal
Okay,
Rubik's cubes,
so this,
to be honest with
and
you. Here,
this
let me
is
do
the-
it.
here's
You're
like
not very
a-
good with...
Here's like
Okay.
a thing to tell you how to solve it.
They don't have like a card where you can check them out, apparently.
So
There we
let's
go.
See how it works.
Pyramix tutorial. I wonder if they have a YouTube video for this. And then there's it in a different language if you can read this.
Sounds pretty good.
Well, yeah. There we go. Show off your Rubik's Cube
Oh,
skills, Eric.
Name's not Eric.
Then put your...
Okay,
Yes.
so you see it here. It's amazing, Miss. My name's not Eric. It's amazing, man.
Oh,
Okay, so
sure.
it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Okay, on to the next one.
Which is
So 3x3 Rubik's Cube.
that
This is
because we
the 3x3.
gotta get that free shipping.
So yeah.
It's very.
In
It
China.
really fits in the box. Usually there's room here.
So here's like a manual.
Here's the instructions. This is some interesting print. Okay, discover your fun life. Oh sure, it's not as illustrated as the other ones, but
So it's
sure.
the D, Fanti,
And-
X.
Oh, it doesn't have it in 2 languages. Huh. Nice.
Really, really loud.
It is louder than the one you
So-
used to have. Can I have the box?
This is the box.
This is the box. This one doesn't have like a plastic panel in it. Definitely a little bit more cheap than the other ones, but okay. In the box. You don't like that one?
So this is probably not really good.
It's not the best. Don't usually get this. It may be cheap, but it's not the
Pretty
most
good. Really
interesting.
loud.
Oh,
So the first turns.
thanks, Eric. You're trying to be cool.
Oh, yeah. Good.
I want to do it even though I don't know how to sell
Okay.
it. Ooh, it's really loud. Very shiny in that angle. Okay. Can the tops come off?
Don't. I
All of
wouldn't
them
break
come
it.
off.
I wouldn't do it, but. So
Uh,
they do. I'm not
no,
sure.
I'm
if
gonna
they-
break my nail.
They probably do come off.
But only one of them came with the stand. Or
Only two. Oh yeah, only one of them.
only one of them came with the stand, apparently.
So,
Well, you know,
do they come off?
this
Oh,
is
they
the
do
mess
come
that
off.
we just threw to the side. Nice. I'm not cleaning that up later. You're gonna have to
No,
clean
you
it
are.
up. I'm not. I have to edit this video, people.
You can turn it. You can take the caps off, but it's really caps off. It's really hard to. So yeah.
What about the other ones? Do they have
These are all
caps?
the things that we have.
Now we're gonna do a nice overview and a
is-
better angle.
And this is.
Cause yeah,
Let's do.
where's my
Oreo.
magic wand? Cue the better angle. Wow. Magic, we're back. And are we ready for the other Rubik's Cubes to show you? No, we're not. Okay, first we're gonna do overview of, oh my gosh. We're not doing that one, we're doing this one. The Conview Adjustable Speed Cube. There we go. I already showed you the box, but whatever. And then here are the instructions. They're very much more like pictured or illustrated than all the other ones, I have to say. I'm not a very Rubik's Cube person. The person I was doing Rubik's Cubes is, but whatever. And it goes on this nice stand. None of the other ones came with the stand. Is this the most expensive one from all of this, Eric?
I do not know.
Oh, that's
but
great!
But
There
it
it
feels
is.
pretty nice. Feels.
You don't know how to solve it, do you?
No, I do not. But I'm
You
gonna
know how to solve
learn
like
how to.
every other Rubik's Cube, not this one. Not great.
So
Okay.
it's pretty good.
Okay, next
I'm not
one
really
is magic.
quick in this.
Okay, the next one we have is this pyramid cube, not the triangle cube.
The pyramid.
The pyramid cube.
But
have to
technically
say,
it's
it
called
feels
the pyramid
pieces
called-
feel bigger in my opinion.
It feels
There's
technically
box.
it's called a pyramid cube.
It's
So here's the menu, just how to solve it.
This one's
Yeah.
I like the other one, and then there's this guy that made it. I don't know why they put it.
He didn't really made it. He was just Maxwell. Yeah.
He's
whatever.
the
Probably if you know
person.
if you play Rubik's, you probably know. Okay, so
Oh wait, we got to
the
do a
menu.
close up. Oh.
no, turn this.
Okay, you're the close up.
So
Here's the unsolved Rubik's cube that Eric didn't solve
yet.
yet.
My name's not Eric. It's Awesome Man.
Sure. Sure.
But really, it's not Eric. Okay, good. So it's pretty good. Clings into space, so it's got magnets. So I'm trying to get into view to see what it inside.
You're not very enthusiastic.
See it? Okay, good. It's pretty good.
Okay, get out of there. We're gonna go for magic.
Okay.
Okay, now this one. This one's this one's just great. The box is kind of okay. Instructions. The instructions are kind of bland. They don't just bunch of words, but who wants words? They need pictures. The words, unless you read them very closely. And it's blurry, nice. But
did you even play it? You playing it?
yeah, I'm playing it, Eric.
Yay!
And there is
Yay!
a person over there messing around with the Rubik's Cube.
Trying to solve it, so it's slow. I know it's slow, so I'm using CFOP way.
I don't know what CFOP is.
Yay!
Great! Okay.
Okay, so just
Are we gonna end this video with a mess? Nice. I have to edit so much of this. It's gonna be great! It's better video good, better good things. Okay, comment down below which one's your favorite. It's probably not whatever this one is playing with it. But
okay, so Maggie!
go and subscribe for more videos.
Milk
in
mustache!
The very, very, very few for future.
Please
Yeah.
subscribe.
Like.